I now pronounce you as husband and wife. In the name of the Lord Jesus Christ, therefore, what God has joined together, let no man separate. You may now kiss the bride. Kailangan mo siyang halikan, okay? Para sa ating legality sa marriage. Go ahead. Para mabilis. Do you need one more kiss? Do you need one more kiss? Do you need one more kiss? Alright? Magkakaroon tayo na, agad magkakaroon tayo ng 10-second kiss. So hiling ko sa magbibilang po ng 1. Ayoko po ng AJ. Sabi nga, joy. Biblical marriage is joy. So kailangan po masaya ulit. So magbibilang po tayo lahat ng 1 to 10. So, groom, John Gabriel, all three, halikan mo ang iyong asawang Shishendi. Alright? 1, 2, 3, kiss the bride. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, another
5,
another
6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7,
10. And now for the presentation of the newlywed, ladies and gentlemen, it is much special that I now introduce all of you Mr. Mrs. Garcia, our newlywed. Let's give them a big a round of applause. And everybody shout, mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Okay, all of you, sabay-sabay po tayo. 1, 2, 3, go!